Hi, this is Charles Kafmayor and I welcome you to the new class. This is Basic 4 and we thank God you are all set. Now, for this e-learning, I'm going to take you through history, you know it. And then without wasting our time, I'm coming to introduce the first topic of your new class to you. This is history as a subject and or how and why and how we study history. That is simply means what? Importance of history. Since you started learning your history from the lower class, how important it is. I didn't know they tell you, and I'm not sure they've told you that. But before we do that, I want us to get a little introduction to what is history itself. A little definition of history. You see, definition of history is so broad, but in our level, we are coming to define it in our way. So it starts like this. The word history comes from the Greek word historia. Historia, can you repeat with me? Historia. All right, thank you. The historia means inquiry. You make an inquiry which refers to what? Knowledge acquired by investigation. So when you make your inquiry, it means you want to get a knowledge, and from your investigation you will surely get information. Another thing we are to add is, after getting the etymology or the origin of the word history, we want to get the definition in a short term. That is, history as a subject refers to the study of events and human activities that happened in the past. So when you are studying what happened in the past, then you are doing what we call history. Now, when you do what we call history, then you become a historian. A historian is a scholar or a student that writes about history. The Greek, you see, history starts from somewhere. We are not the first people to start. Somebody started before. And then the one which was the reference, the one that was a role model to the other historians long time ago, comes from Greece, which is Herodotus. Herodotus is what? The one considered as what? The father of history. So the father of history is Herodotus. Fine. Herodotus. Good. Now, we don't say we want to study history and stop there. No, we need to have some basic knowledge about some subjects, which are what? Science. Some science that help historian get what? Accurate information. So we call them auxiliary sciences of history. So auxiliary sciences of history refer to subjects that help historian to easily and accurately gather information to write about the past. So when you want to write about the past, you want to become a historian, then you're supposed to know some subject. You have to get knowledge in some subjects. So when you get that knowledge, those subjects will help you to become a good historian. These subjects are, some of the examples are archaeology, which is the study of the fossils of human remains. And then we have paleontology, which is also the study of fossil. I mean, remain of what? Animals and plants. That is the difference. Then we have anthropology. Anthropology. That is the study of, is a broad subject, which is the study of what? Human. Then we have geography. We have demography. Demography is the study of the earth and everything on earth. That is the earth surface. Then we have demography, talking about population and its mutation. Then we have epigraphy. These are the study of what? Ancient writings on walls and so forth. And then we have ethnology. Ethnology is also another subject which is under what we call anthropology. But the difference is that ethnology help the historians to study what? Scientifically the human race. And then we come to linguistics. Linguistic, as you can get it, linguistic, we have what? The study of what? Languages and their evolution. Then we have onomastics. Onomastics refer to the study of what? Ancient coins and then metals. You see, when the people lived before, they use their coin, and then all the metallic objects that they use, it remain underground. Then when archaeologists dig the ground and pick them up, it took the people that are specialized in onomastic to study those metallic remains. Then we have ethnography. Ethnography is also another subject under anthropology, but this time is the scientific study of what? Human race, and then the categorization of what? The type of race we have. We thank you for today's lesson, but before we leave, I want you to catch me up at the website where you have some assignments to do and see how far you've grabbed this part of the lessons. I thank you so much. But when you do your work, I would like you to send your question. You do it. You have a new exercise book. I hope they've told you already from the management. You do your work in a new exercise book. You snap it with your phone. Then you send it on my WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp is 0595647162. That is it. So you get Semeyo there, and we will discuss how far you've moved so far. Thank you so much, and let's meet in another brand new episode, which will be the following day. I thank you so much.